Areas of concern. So I've sprayed this thing down. I took the evaporator completely apart. Didn't get no leaks on the evaporator. No indications of it. The other spot I was concerned about was on the bottom of the spring. It's not a spring, it's actually a capillary tube on the very bottom. Right in about here. It was sitting flat on this deck down there, vibrating. Also, right there, it was vibrating. Can't really see it. In the back, this spring or capillary tube, right there, was vibrating. It actually has a worn spot where it's worn. See if I can get a picture of it. Probably not. So, in this area right up in here, where you see the bubbles coming out, it's worn from vibrating, and then potentially has a small hole in it. Okay? But the main thing I'm concerned about is up in that hole there. So where you see that wire nut, that red thing, that's a wire nut. I put that there to keep this space between these 2 points. Up under here, right there. That foam, spray, bubbles. That copper's been vibrating against this because it's very tight, and it's in more small hole in it, pinhole. Also has one here against this rivet, right there. And in the back, way back there, if you look, there's a screw coming down through the top of that plastic plate that holds the evaporator in place. And the back of that screw is rubbing against this copper. So this piece of copper, basically, I'm going to back it up here. This copper line from here to here, it goes this way, comes around, comes down through there. There it is, 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 there it is. Boom, right there. So I'm going to replace that line. I'm just going to put a new line in, and we'll start from that point. The good news is these evaporators ain't leaking. Those are $800 a piece. That's the good news.